Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So in this video we're gonna do some color grading with Capcut, and I'm gonna show you guys how did I make these video clips to look a little bit more cinematic. Obviously there are many ways we can color grade our videos, but we want to make it as simple as possible, and hence why we're gonna jump straight to the filters. And as you can see, Capcut has plenty of filters, but most of them, especially the good ones, are part of the paid version. And in this video, I'm only going to use the free version filters and adjustments. The first filter I'm going to pick is green orange, and we're going to adjust the strength of the filter. So I'm going to bring it down somewhere around 50. So next I'm going to pick Oppenheimer and place the Oppenheimer right on top of the green orange. And again, we're gonna adjust the strength of the filter. And you can find both of those filters underneath the movies section. So next, I'm gonna click on the video clip itself. And I go adjustments, basics. And first thing, I'm gonna adjust the hue. So I'm gonna add a little bit of more green tint to this video clip. Also, I'm gonna adjust saturation. So I'm gonna bring down the saturation a little bit, as well as the highlights. And just add a little bit more contrast. So next I'm going to jump over to HSL, and here is where we can adjust every color separately. And honestly, I think this is the most funnest, coolest part about color grading, because you can really play around with the colors a lot. But for this video clip, I'm only going to adjust the reds, and I'm going to bring down the saturation of reds. Alright, so this clip is pretty much good to go. And look at the difference between the original clip compared to the color graded version of it. It definitely has more of a cinematic look and feel to it. But now let's move on. And with the rest of the clips, I actually did pretty much all the same adjustments. So first I copied over those two filters. Obviously I did adjust the strength of the filters, and then I move on to editing the video clip itself. Only with the second one, the biggest difference was that I adjusted the oranges and yellows. So I changed the hue of oranges and yellows, and also I brought down the brightness of oranges and yellows. And also I touched a little bit on a blue as well. But all in all of the clips have very similar adjustments. And I'm gonna leave it from here. And if you want me to make more in-depth video about color grading, or in-depth video how did I color grade the rest of the clips, please let me know in the comments below. Also, I know it's been a long time and this one was a little bit different from my previous videos, but at the same time I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful, and once again, yes, thank you for watching, and until the next time.